Back when we're studying arithmetic, we see fixed numbers. For instance, 6 plus 3, 7 times 3, and 1 divided by 10. And we find what is the value of them. In this case, 9, 21, and 10. But when we're moving to algebra, we start seeing letters that start to appear in either expression or equation. And usually asked to find what is the value of that letter. This letter is what we call as a variable. It is an unknown value replaced with a letter. And the letter could be anything. It could be either A, B, or you can use S, up to you. And a variable could be any value. Thus, if put in an expression, the value could be anything. For example, we have an expression x plus 2. We cannot find what is the value of x plus 2 because we don't know what is the value of x. The value of x could be anything. But if we give a statement, for example here, if x is equal to 1, then x plus 2 is equal to 3. If x equal to 2, then x plus 2 is equal to 4. We simply just change it into 1 here, change this into 2. Now how about an equation? If an equation, we can find what is the value of x indeed. For example, we have the same expression x plus 2, but we make it equal to 7. Thus, we can find what is the value of x here, which is the number that is added by 2 and then make 7, which is 5, because 5 plus 2 equals 7. Here we have another example, 5x plus 4 equals 9, which is the number times by 5, later on add by 4 to produce 9, which is 1. In algebra, we also can find these words right here. Let's start with term. A term could be a number, variable, a product of a number and variable, quotient, and it is put between addition and subtraction symbols. Terms produce an expression. For example, I'll give you an expression 2x plus 5 equal to y. These expressions has 3 terms, which is 2x, 5, and y. How about constant? Constant is a term that has fixed value, exact opposite of a variable, which the value can be anything. In this case, the constant is the number 5. How about coefficient? Coefficient is a number multiplying a variable. Looking from here, the number 2 is the coefficient.